Yo guys, as I told you, we're gonna buy Euro USD. So this is my yesterday's entries. As you all can see, let me turn my phone into landscape view. As you all can see, we made money yesterday. Straight breakout here. I told you, breakout, retest. Clean strategy. It was clean strategy. Yes sir. I didn't set up TP. I didn't set up stop loss because I knew we are buying, strictly buying yesterday. This is how the order is going now. As you all can see, we made money. So let me close all my entries. We made money yesterday for 500 to 4,000. We made money. This is history, guys. Clean strategy.